there's a pet, there's always this. That's why we have innovations like the Maytag Pet Pro Laundry Pair. So you and your favorite sweater can forget all about those hairy situations. Shop Maytag and more exclusive out-of-the-blue innovations at Lowe's.com.
I just used my Dunkin Rewards points to pay for my Dunkin. Uncle Ricky's here!
Uncle Ricky!
And now I'm using my Dunkin to maintain my Funkle status at my brother's house. New Dunkin Rewards. Save them, stack them, use them how you want.
It's a Muppet takeover on The Masked Singer. All new Wednesday on Fox.
Outrageous bail rulings risk our safety. Yet Jennifer Bruder and Democrat justices on the Ohio Supreme Court ruled in favor of lowering an alleged murderer's bail. Judge Marilyn Zayas, she voted to dismiss the murder conviction of a man found guilty of killing in cold blood. Judge Terry Jameson, she would have thrown out evidence of drugs seized legally by police. Let's stop these reckless judges. Keep soft-on-crime judges like Bruner, Zayas, and Jameson off the bench.
So the furnace isn't working.
There's actually water around the sump. This isn't blowing in here.
So I called the furnace number. Even for plumbing problems?
What's that number again? You can stop now.
The Niners-Rams, I feel like every time they play, it's down to the wire. It's physical.
Aaron Donald told me we don't like them and they don't like us.
I wonder if this is the best rivalry right now in the league. I think it is. The 49ers are a win-now team. They go out and they trade to get a all-pro caliber player.
Any team would love to have a jolt like this.
The NFL, next Sunday on Fox. Home of Super Bowl 57.
I have a distributor. You can set up a sting, take them down.
What if I can make it? You could kill us both.
The Cleaning Lady, all new tomorrow at 9, 8 central on Fox.